Hello everyone, this is an unboxing of the Tactical Staff. This is a very cool product coming from the company American Family Survival. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that, it's just a cool product worth sharing. So here it is. Essentially what this is a walking stick, but it has all types of cool features within it. So essentially, you go on a camping trip or whatever, you got everything you need, and I'll show you why. So in here, all types of features. Like I said, this right here would be the top of the walking stick where you're holding it on, this horizontal piece. And really what this allows you to do is just screw on all these different features in whatever pattern you may want to. Here on top, we have a glass breaker, a hammer. So screw this on, boom, you got a hammer. Super cool. That'd be the top of the stick, and then everything else, these three would be in whatever order. Right here is the bottom, so you got this grippy little piece that would grip the ground. Super cool, because if you unscrew it and pull this out, you have a flint. So that's your flint. Start a fire wherever you need it. And keep in mind, all these pieces are completely hollow. So, you know, if you'd want to put maybe some fishing line, some hooks, small compass, anything that fits in there should be watertight, ready to go. But this product is super cool because it just has a really good weight to it. It feels high quality. I believe as of right now, January 1st, 2021, it's like 99 bucks on their website. It's not bad at all. And also, to keep this from being one big guessing game, each segment has a little picture of whatever's inside of it. So this right here looks like what they're advertising as the fishing harpoon or spear, whatever you want to call it. Super sharp, nothing to mess around with. Definitely do some damage, but that is super nice. Just screw this back on. I'll show you these other two. Right here in this one, let's look at the picture. This one looks like their little saw and knife combo. Super cool. So this right here, cut limbs for your fire or whatever you need to do. Knife on the other side, and then also a bottle opener, because that always comes in handy. So screw this back on. And then the last one, let's see. This last one, I forget what this is called, but this is for, you know, clearing underbrush, grass, whatever may be in the way of your tent or whatever you need it for. Has a little button so you can get all your different angles. That's a nice little feature. But there it is, short and simple. Here's just to give you guys an idea of what you're picking up. Screw them all on, you got a nice walking stick. And just for size reference, I'm 6'4", and this handle here comes up to about my waist. So super nice, cool product. Check it out for yourself. It's from American Family Survival. You guys have a good one.